What is healthy for the body is almost always good for the teeth. This means little fast food or sweet but a lot of home-cooked, dairy products, salad, vegetables and fruit. Drink 1.5 to 2 liters of unsweetened liquid daily, in example water and unsweetened fruit and herbal teas. Eat a balanced and varied diet. For processed food, you should pay attention to the sugar content. Unfortunately, today almost all industrial foods contain refined sugar. Enjoy your meal. This means chew vigorously and long. This is fitness training for teeth and chewing muscles and stimulates saliva. The saliva cleanses the oral cavity, makes the food more digestible, mineralizes and protects the teeth. If you have any questions on this topic, please contact us in practice or simply make an appointment with us. We will be happy to help.